Hey, this is Alan from BMW Durham. We're back with another YouTube video. In today's video, I want to discuss the topic of preconditioning and preventilation. So what is it? What does it do? And what's the difference between preconditioning and preventilation? So let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm fortunate enough to be sitting inside the BMW G80 M3, and we're going to talk a little bit about preconditioning and such. So what the first thing we're going to do is go to car. From car, you'll go to settings, and then from settings, you'll go to climate control. Once you're in the climate control menu, you'll see that there's preconditioning and ventilation. So you do have the option to start now. So what is this feature? What it does is it senses the inside car temperature and the outside car temperature, and when it senses that the inside car temperature is either really warm or really cool, it'll either warm up the car to 21 degrees Celsius or cool down the car to 21 degrees Celsius. And you can do this by hitting start now, and it'll start right now, or you can set up a departure schedule. So if you already know your schedule and when you'll be departing with the vehicle, so for instance, let's say this was for me specifically, I would say I'm going to leave my house at 11:30 a.m. on Tuesday, because that's what my schedule looks like. I gotta be at work by 12. So I'd set Tuesday, and then what'll happen is automatically at 11:30 a.m. when I'm about to depart with the vehicle, it's going to recognize that I'd like the climate in the vehicle to be comfortable when I arrive to it. So it's going to be sensing the inside temperature, and because it's summer right now, chances are it's going to be hotter inside here than 21 degrees Celsius. So it'll try to bring the temperature down to 21 degrees by the time I arrive, so I can arrive to a comfortable climate. Now you can also do the same thing for really cold temperatures, and it'll allow the car to warm up to 21 degrees Celsius by the time you arrive. So when you have that set, you'll also notice this little icon shows up as well. I don't know if that's going to focus. Right there. Now the other thing I wanted to mention, if your car does not have remote start, it may have a preventilation schedule, which is slightly different than preconditioning. So preventilation only allows the car to cool down from temperatures above 21 degrees Celsius down to 21 degrees. So it does not work from cold to warm, only hot to less hot. So that's basically what preconditioning and preventilation do. Now, if you have the BMW app, you're able to also set this from the app as well. So make sure that you keep that in mind if you plan to download that app. Otherwise, that's pretty well everything to do with preconditioning and preventilation. Okay, so there you have it. That is how you operate it. If any of you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a question in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of that feature. Is this something that you use as a BMW owner, or is this something that you don't use? Let me know, and make sure you please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.